Exercise 11.2, question number 6. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. This question is little tricky, so you will have to do it step by step slowly because it contains a lot of arcs and we may get confused because of this number of arcs. So first of all, we will construct the triangle ABC. Let us use BC as the base because it is longer side. So let BC is equal to 8 cm be our base. BC, our base. Now from BS center we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. From B, draw an arc of any radius, and from the point of intersection, without changing the radius, draw two arcs, one of 60, then from 60 another arc of 120, and from 60 and 120 two arcs to get our required angle of 90 degree. This is our required angle of 90 degree. Now from point B we will draw an arc of 6 cm from the point B, and you will get a point A, so that AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm. Let us join AC. ABC is the required right angle triangle we have got. First part is done. Now we have to construct a perpendicular from B on AC. For this, from BS center, draw an arc on AC to intersect AC at 2 points. These are the 2 points here and here. Now from these 2 points, draw 2 arcs to intersect each other at point. Join that point to BC. Like this. And this point is D, such that BD is perpendicular on AC. So 2 parts are done. Now the third part is the circle through BCD is drawn. So we have to draw a circle that should pass from B, C and D. It should compulsorily touch B, C and D. This is going to be a little difficult. So for this, out of 3 sides of triangle BCD, we will find out perpendicular bisector of 2 sides. So I am going to use DC and BC, as BD has some number of arcs here which may get confused. So I am going to use DC and BC as number of arcs are less on these 2 sides. So to perpendicularly bisect BC, we will use more than half of radius, and from C we will draw 2 arcs, one up, one down. From D we will draw 2 arcs, one up, one down, and we will get 2 points here. And we will join them to get the perpendicular bisector of DC. Now let us find out the perpendicular bisector of BC. For this, use the same procedure. From C as center, taking radius more than half, draw two arcs, one up, one down, and from B, two arcs, one up, one down. So here we get the point of intersection here and here. It will join them. Now, both the perpendicular bisectors are intersecting here at a point. Let this point be O. Now, we have to make sure that this point O is equidistant from B, D and C. Okay, so if we are sure that this point O is equidistant from C, D and B, so now we can construct our circle which is passing from all the 3 points B, C and D. Okay. Now we have to draw tangents from point A to this circle. So now A is working as the external point outside circle. So as we all know, that first of all the external point we have to join to circle. Okay, then from now we have to find out the perpendicular bisector of AO, as we always do. So we'll take the radius more than half. From O, two arcs, one here and one here. From A, two arcs, one here and one here. Now you can see how many arcs we have. So we have to be very careful while joining these arcs. If by chance one wrong arc is joined, then in that case complete construction will go wrong. Now we have got the midpoint of AO. Let this point be P. Now using PA is equal to PO as radius and draw a circle which will intersect our previous circle at 2 points. Now one point is B, which we have already got, and second point is here. Let this be R. So join AR and AB and AR are the required pair of tangents from point A. So this is the construction. It will not be so easy to construct it. So I would suggest you all to pause the video, watch it carefully and do it step by step. First construct the triangle ABC, then draw perpendicular from B to AC, then find out the bisector of two sides of triangle BDC, then construct the circle, then from point A join A to center of circle, then bisect perpendicularly AO using AP equal to OP, draw a circle from P and you will get 2 points. One already we have got B and the second point will be your point of contact, name it R and join it. So do it step by step, slowly and you will definitely get your construction done.